The rains have been truly a blessing to us as a nation. We have seen a lot of turnaround because of the rains, but also we have the challenge now of floods in different areas, and therefore it is important for us to be proactive in terms of what interventions can we make. There are citizens living in very dangerous places, and those are the most vulnerable at this point. We need to, with certainty, understand, and I'm sure, and I'm happy the Minister for Energy is here, so that we can begin to inform citizens if they are in places that poses danger to them, we begin to relocate them. I already told the National Youth Service to provide some land for us to relocate some of the people who are in the most dangerous parts of Nairobi. I had a conversation with Governor yesterday. I had a conversation with the DG of NIS. I had a conversation with the Ministry of ASAL and the CS Malonza. And so I think in that context, what are the flashpoints and how do we, ahead of time, deal with those flashpoints? How do we mobilize members of the national government administration to support all this effort? Interior should be at the center of it. And then I also asked the military, and I'm happy the Minister for Defense is here, to provide some of the capabilities they have to support citizens. I was very happy yesterday they worked with our teams in different parts of the country, including Machakos and other areas. So I think we just need to put everybody on the alert so that we can overcome this short season. I think they are saying in the next 3 or so days, as we also encourage the farmers and others to continue with what they have to do.